Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you a big shopping bag. It's not looking very clearly here, but you can see the photos beginning of the video. Hope you like. We crochet only one piece and it's so simple. Only one point in this pattern. Which width you want to make your bag. Here you need to crochet multiples of 3 length. Okay, that's it. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind and all comments. I read all of them. I use here size 4 yarn here. It's a little fluffy, you can see that. And I use here 6mm hook because I want to make it more softer. For winter it's perfect, I think. Only I use here 220 grams yarn only. It's no have any information on this yarn. You can use like these yarns, a little thick but not so much. If my video comes so speedy, you can see 3 dots on the right of the screen. Please click them and slow me down, and you can translate from here again my video. I hope you like it and you will try that. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our big shopping bag. Let's start crochet. I use my bag 40 centimeter chains, and it's equal to 64 actually chains. For this pattern you need odd number. Okay, I will show you. Not I made from the beginning of this bag 65 chains, but now I want to show you any odd number of 13. You will make it which size you want. Only you need, your length needs to be multiples of 3. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I made for the bag 65 for 40 centimeter. Okay, I write them here. I will write it, note it here. Now I want to show you pattern. I don't want to make a single crochet. I want to make it more softer, so I use this pattern. Skip this very first, start from the second one, insert it and make single crochet. Chain 1, skip the next one, insert into the next one, make single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, next one, single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert next one, single. Chain 1, skip 1, insert the next one, single. You left here 1 stitch, make here usual single crochet. Okay, don't forget that. From the beginning and the last stitch is single crochet. Then chain 1 and not count, turn your work. Insert into the very first and make single crochet. It's all the same. Then from the previous row you have here single crochet, so I needs to be make chain 1. Skip this single and insert the previous row's chain 1 space and make here single crochet. Chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space and make single crochet. Chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space and make single. Chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space, make single. Chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space, make single. Last stitch is single crochet. Don't forget, finish the row with single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. It's 1 row repeat and it's always same. Not count this chain 1, insert this very first and make single crochet. you see single crochet, so chain 1, skip this single, insert the space and make single, chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space, chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space, chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space, chain 1, skip the stitch, insert the space. Last stitch is single crochet and make here single crochet. I made for this bag 65 chains and working with 64 stitch, and it's equal to 40 centimeter. I need to make the length, my width is 40 centimeter, so my length needs to be 1 meter 20 centimeter. If my width 50 centimeter, my length needs to be 150 centimeter. If my width is 20, my length needs to be 60 centimeter. Okay, multiples of 3, that's the point. I make my piece 120 centimeter because my width is 40 centimeter. I will turn to you and we will get its envelope shape. Okay, I will make and turn. I complete my piece. You can see here, I crocheted 1 meter and 20 centimeter, 120 centimeter. Okay, because my width is 40 centimeter. If you make your width more bigger, for example 50 centimeter, you need crochet multiples of 3, 150 centimeter. Maybe you want to make a small bag, you will make 20 centimeter. This time you will need 60 centimeter, multiples of 3. Which width you did, your height is needs to be multiples of 3. Okay, you can see that. I will show you here. Like that. Here 120. Now only we will fold our piece. I will take this left side and make a triangle like that here. Okay, I fold it up to down. Now come to right side. I wish I have big table. I will show you more easier. Look at that. This is left side. It's here. And take the right side. We fold it up to down. We will fold this side, right side, down to up like that. Make a triangle again here. Look at that. This side like that, this side like that. Left side up to down, right side down to up. I fold both sides. Okay, now right side I hold it like that and fold it like that. Again make a triangle. You can see here. We will join from here. These are the sides. You can see it. We made here a letter pocket like that. We join it here and I will show you the other side. Hope I will not. Yes, and this side we will join. Then turn to the back side. You can sew that or you can join it with your hook like me. Now I join this side. You can see. Now the other side we will join together, and you can also sewing or like me. It's your choice. Okay. Now here we will join that, turn it like that, and make here a slip knot first. Then get this corner. I insert my hook from this corner. Then you see here posts. I insert one post one side, one post one side, and make single crochet. I prefer to join like that. Keep joining like that. I come to end, chain one and lock, then cut my yarn and hide my tail. Like that. Then we will join these two needs to join these 2 points here. Okay. First of all, we will turn back to inside like that. Now I want to join it like that, but make a single crochet or slip stitch, turn all around and join 2 sides. Okay, I will join from the first corner here. Chain 1. I want to make slip stitch. Okay, I will turn all around with slip stitch. I will make my slip stitches this way, then that way. When I come here, I will turn. I turn this side from this corner and the second one with slip stitch, and I have here clear looking. Now I will put the corners together here, and I want to make here single crochets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I want to make it more stable here. Now we will make our slip stitches from the other side. We made this side, now we will turn like that. I will make here my slip stitches, sorry, this way, like that. Okay, again I will turn like that and come to this joining part. I will turn to you. I come to joining point. You can see that, chain 1 and lock my yarn and cut my yarn here and hide it. That's so simple. Only one piece we crochet and we have a bag, big shopping bag. We use envelope technique. You see that it's so simple. You will adapt which size you want. You can adapt it which size you want. You can see on you can see the photos on me from beginning of the video. I hope you like it and you will try that. I give all the details, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.